Ever felt like your business phone system is more of a roadblock than a bridge? You spend ages navigating menus, calls drop at the worst moments, and integrating it with your other tools feels like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. If you're nodding your head right now, you're probably one of the many businesses out there looking for an alternative to RingCentral. The good news? There are a ton of great options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. But before we dive into that exciting world, let's take a quick step back. What exactly are we looking for? RingCentral falls under the umbrella of UCaaS, which stands for Unified Communications as a Service. Basically, it's a cloud-based solution that bundles all your communication needs, phone calls, video conferencing, messaging, into one neat package. Here's the kicker. Not all UCaaS platforms are created equal. Some prioritize ease of use, some boast cutting-edge features, and others focus on affordability. The key is to find the one that aligns best with your specific business needs. The UCaaS All-Stars. Top RingCentral alternatives. Alright, enough with the prelims. Let's get down to business. Here are some of the top contenders in the UCaaS game, each offering a compelling alternative to RingCentral. CloudTalk, the user-friendly contender. CloudTalk is known for its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality. Even your least tech-savvy employees will be up and running in no time. Plus, it offers robust features like call recording, analytics, and integrations with popular CRMs and helpdesk software. Dialpad, the AI-powered powerhouse. Looking for a UCaaS platform on the cutting edge? Dialpad might be your perfect match. It integrates seamlessly with artificial intelligence, AI, tools, offering features like real-time transcription, sentiment analysis, and automated call routing. Imagine never having to decipher bad call quality again. Nextiva, the all-in-one package. Nextiva is a one-stop shop for all your communication needs. Phone, video, chat, you name it, Nextiva has it covered. It's particularly well-suited for businesses that value having a single point of contact for all their communication services. Beyond the big three, exploring hidden gems. While CloudTalk, Dialpad, and Nextiva are major players, there are other fantastic options out there depending on your specific requirements. OpenPhone, the small business champion. OpenPhone is a great choice for startups and small businesses. It offers a user-friendly interface, affordable pricing plans, and integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace, making it perfect for teams already using that platform. GoToConnect, the collaboration kingpin. If seamless collaboration is your top priority, GoToConnect deserves a look. It integrates tightly with a variety of project management and communication tools, allowing your team to work together effortlessly. Zoom Phone, the familiar face. Chances are you're already familiar with Zoom for video conferencing. But did you know they also offer a phone service? Zoom Phone leverages the power of the Zoom platform you know and love, making it a great option for businesses heavily invested in the Zoom ecosystem. Choosing the right RingCentral alternative. It's all about you. There's no single best alternative to RingCentral. The perfect choice depends on your unique needs. Consider factors like team size and budget. Some platforms are better suited for small businesses, while others can handle the demands of large enterprises. Pricing plans also vary considerably. Features. Do you need advanced AI features like Dialpad? Or is a user-friendly interface like CloudTalk a higher priority? Integrations. Does the platform integrate with the tools you already use? Don't be afraid to research and experiment. Many UCaaS providers offer free trials, so take advantage of them. Sign up for a couple, test drive the features, and see which one feels most comfortable for you and your team. Remember, a smooth-running communication system is an investment in your business's success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.